Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into leg day. Legs are the foundation of our entire body. Strong legs mean better athletic performance, improved balance, and can help you with everyday activities. But let's be honest, leg day can be tough. In this video, I'm going to share my top tips and tricks to take your workout to the next level. We'll cover the best exercises to target without barbell squat that target all the major muscle groups in your leg, how to properly perform each movement to avoid injury, and hopefully these strategies keep you motivated and coming back to this channel for more. So whether you're a beginner, just starting out, or a seasoned gym rat looking to push yourself harder, this video has something for you. Let's get those legs burning.
Alright, my wellness warriors, as always, the routine's written in the description. First, we're starting off with some single leg presses. Foot placement is going to be set high on the platform. We're going to push off with our heels, keep our knees towards our chest and not outward as we're coming down. No slouching on the bench. You want to keep our spine in a neutral position. No crunch so that you're moving forward when you push off. And we're going to complete 3 to 4 sets, 3 if you're a beginner, 4 if you're intermediate or advanced, and each rep is going to be 8 to 10. And make sure with every set you increase the weight. Increasing the weight might limit the number of reps you do, but as long as you're increasing the weight, that's what we're focused on. If you want to step it up and increase the intensity of this exercise, what you can add is slow negatives. And what that would mean is that when you bring the weight down, you're actually going to slow the pace. Make it take about 3 to 5 seconds before you come back up. And that would actually stimulate the muscle differently and add some more intensity to your muscle to build muscle mass in your leg. Going on to stiff leg deadlift. When performing this exercise, start off light and then gradually work your way up. In the starting position, you want to start with your feet shoulder length apart and then gradually bend over, keeping your knees slightly bent. You should feel a slight pull in your hamstring as you're going down. That lets you know that you're activating the muscle. You will feel a little pressure in your lower back. That is a normal response. All that's stating is that you haven't used that portion of your back or it's just weak. Take your time when performing this exercise. It's meant to be done slow and focused. We're not trying to injure ourselves or even take out our back. So as you go heavy, this exercise can become more challenging. And again, focus keeping the weight on your heels and flex your hips coming down. Next, we're doing the dumbbell Bulgarian split squat. Same principle follows as the deadlift. We're going to have all our weight in our heels. You don't want to lean forward when doing this exercise because you want to preserve your lower back. And the movement is going to be focused on moving straight up and down.
And also guys, if you're getting great value out of this video, hit that like and subscribe button. And also, if you're already subscribed, make sure you hit that notification button.
Again, we're doing 8 to 10 reps each leg, and also we're increasing the weight as we move on to our next set. You don't have to use weighted plates for your opposite leg. As you can see behind me, there's a weight bench behind me. You can actually use that for your opposite leg as elevation to perform this exercise. The choice is yours. Now we're going to do some sumo squats. First off, what you want to grab is 2 plates to stand on so that it can create some elevation for you. So when you come down, you get more depth, which is going to create more of a stretch for your hamstrings. Next, you want to point your toes outward and keep your shoulders back. Retract your shoulders. In the same position as dumbbell Bulgarian split, you're gonna go in an up and down position. No leaning forward to take pressure off your lower back. On to the next exercise, we're doing lying leg curls. Keep your toes fixed and downward. Heels should be flexed throughout the movement, and you want to focus on squeezing at the top. A lot of people struggle with this exercise, explaining that they can't feel the target muscle. I would say picture it as doing a bicep. You're going from an extension to a flex position. Your hamstring is the bicep, curling. Think of that.
So, how was it? Were you able to stick it through? Were you able to complete every exercise that I demonstrate? Let me know in the comments. And also make sure that every rep that you do, you're squeezing. And every set that you do, you're increasing the weight. Guys, I hope you like this video. As always, I'll see you in the next video.